The Constitutional Court has yet to disclose a date for its ruling on the impeachment of President Yoon Suk Yeol, and while many had initially believed a verdict would be delivered this coming Friday, some are now speculating that the court's ruling may take place next week. Our political correspondent Shin Ha-young tells us why.
It's been 2 weeks since the final hearing in President Yoon Suk Yeol's impeachment trial, but the Constitutional Court has not yet announced a date for its ruling. Given that previous presidential impeachment rulings were made about 2 weeks after the final hearing, many expected the ruling to be this Friday. However, since the court decided to deliver impeachment verdicts on the chief state auditor and 3 top prosecutors on Thursday, expectations are rising that the ruling on Yoon could be delayed until next week. There is no precedent for the courts delivering major rulings on consecutive days. Ahead of Yoon's verdict, police are considering banning the release of stored firearms to prevent potential attacks. The National Police Agency said it's refusing to release firearms stored at police stations used to kill dangerous wild animals. Under the current law, licensed gun owners must store their firearms at police stations and only take them out to hunt down wild boars or birds. On the day of the ruling, police will designate parts of Seoul's Jongno-gu and Jung-gu districts near the Constitutional Court as special crime prevention zones to maintain safety and manage crowds. Vehicle barriers will be set up within 100 meters of the court. During a cabinet meeting on Tuesday, Acting President Choi Sang-mok expressed concern about possible national division and conflict over the presidential impeachment ruling.
The government will respond firmly according to the law with zero tolerance for any illegal or violent protests, as well as any acts that challenge public authority.
Meanwhile, the main opposition Democratic Party began its sit-in protest at Gwanghwamun Square on Tuesday, calling for Yoon's removal, while the ruling People Power Party decided not to stage any demonstrations to pressure the court. Shin Ha-young, Arirang News.